Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss about model of strategic management. In earlier lectures, we are discuss about introduction of strategic management concept and importance of the strategic management. Importance of strategic management process. In the process of strategic management, there are four element. That one is environment scanning, second is strategy formulation, third is strategy implementation, and fourth is the evaluation of and controls. The When we going to discuss about strategic management, the meaning of strategic management is the set of managerial decision and actions that determine the long run performance of corporation. It includes environmental scanning, both external and internal strategy formulation, strategy implementation and evaluation and controls. When we are going to discuss about model of strategic management, there are what is the strategic management process or model of strategy. The process of strategic management consists of different phase, number of element. As said earlier, most authors agree to dividing strategic management process in four consisting of many elements. That model of strategic management that we have adopted in this previous lectures, that is that four element is the environmental scanning, strategy formulation, strategy implementation, and evaluation and controls. Uh, these are a model of strategic management process. The process of strategic management, we know there are divided into a number of parts. Uh, in this first stage is the organization missions, organization's objective and strategy and policy. We need to study in this point, that is the mission, objective, strategy and policy, and we need to mold according to business related to the mission, objective, strategy and policy. Second step is the organization current performance. What is the current performance is very important to plan for the future strategic management process. Third is the review of the board of directors and top management. For the purpose, we need to divide our environment in two parts, that is the internal environment, and when we going to analyze the internal environment, that is the 2 point is very important, that is the strength of the institute or business and weaknesses of business. Other part is the external environment, or there are second classification of the environment, external environment and environment analysis, and that there are two part here is important, that one is opportunities before the business and threats before the business. After that, we need to analyze selection of the strategic factors. Which are strategic factors we require for the strategic management? It is in this step we are going to discuss. And next step is the review and define. Take review of the all the entire process and redefine mission and objective is very essential in this stage. And last stage is the generation and evaluation of the strategy alternative. After that, we need to going to first stage, that is the organization missions, objective and strategy policy. In this type model of strategic management described in various authors. When we are going to detail strategic management process that could be followed by typical organization is presented in this figure. The process take place the following stage. We are going to discuss about step by steps. The strategic planner has to define that intent to be accomplished. This will help the defining, that is the first step, given the missions, objectives, strategic and policies of the business. In seconds, we need to enlighten of stage of first, the result by the current performance and of the organization are documented. We need to documentate the result of the business. In third stage, the board of director and the top management will have reviewed the current performance of the organization. Next steps in view of the review, the organization will have the scan the internal environment for strengths and weaknesses and external environment for opportunities and threats. The next step is include the internal and external scan, that is the internal environment analysis, the strength of the business and weaknesses of business, and in external environment analysis we discuss about the opportunities and threats of the business. Next step, these we have to be reviewed and redefined in the relation of the missions and objective. And next, at this stage we set up strategy alternative are generated. And next, the best strategy alternative is selected and implemented through the program, budget and procedure. And in last stage, monitoring, evaluations and control of strategic alternative chosen in the undertaken in the this mode. This can provide feedback of the changes in implementation required. This type we can analyze the model of strategic management process. Thank you. We are going to discuss. We will discuss about the next period. The point on the competitive advantages. Now we are going to stop here. Thank you. Thank you very much.